Today, we're going to revamp my Twitch channel. Today's video is brought to you by me and my Stream Guides Instagram account. Head over to instagram.com/streamguides to get little nuggets and quick tips for OBS and streaming and things like that. Things that you don't necessarily want to watch an entire video for. You can get them pretty quickly over on that Instagram page. Go ahead and give it a follow, maybe turn on notifications, check out the posts available, and I'll see you over there. I'm EposVox, your stream professor, and today we are taking a look at the new channel page for Twitch. I haven't actually had a chance to look at this yet. It rolled out about a week ago at the time of recording, and Twitch teased this at TwitchCon last year, and it looked really cool, and I'm stoked to check it out. So when you go to your channel page, you may notice you have the purple banner here telling you that some changes are coming soon, and you can go on and preview it and set it up. So that's what we're going to be doing here today. Some channels already have the full page set up. It looks really sick. So here you are taken to the new channel page. It very much reminds me of YouTube or classic video sites. You've got your channel name over on the left, you've got your subscribe and gift buttons and things like that on the right, and then you have a list of recent videos and games you've broadcast and things like that at the bottom. You have your big nice banner here, which it just kind of auto generates in the Twitch style, which is pretty cool. You can also set up a channel trailer, different VODs to choose from, things like that. So you have your customize your channel button. Let's go ahead and click that. And this gives you the normal kind of settings menu. You have your stream key, disconnect protection, whether or not you want broadcast stored, mature content, low latency or normal latency. Over here you can tweak accents and things like that. We're actually going to give ours a bit more of a pink highlight since that's kind of in line with our other channel colors. Here you can update your offline image or your video player banner. Mine has not changed recently. But here you can choose a video to be your channel trailer and upload it here. You can also add social media links. This is pretty cool. You can also add a stream schedule without needing an extension or anything. Pretty cool as well. So for social links, we're going to say Twitter. You got to type the full URL with HTTPS and everything like that and hit add. You don't need to rely on goofy looking panels anymore, which is very appealing to me because frankly, I've never really liked the look of panels. All right, it does look like there's a cap of 5 social links that you can add. So I'm actually going to swap out my Facebook with Discord. And then click save to edit it. It's going to show it. It doesn't look like they support Discord as like an icon generated platform, but that's fine. It still has an external link and we're good to go. So those will show up. Here you can add your channel and then adjust rating, drops, and hosting settings, which I'm not going to mess with right now. Let's look at the stream schedule real quick. So here you can set your start time, how long you usually expect to stream, the days you expect to stream, as well as the category you stream, which is interesting. You actually have to set a category that you're going to stream. So for example, I could say that every Friday starting at, Friday I stream on YouTube. So every Wednesday starting at 6 p.m. for 4 hours, I stream Apex Legends. And then click save. And then I can add another one. I can say starting on Mondays, every Monday at 7 p.m. for 3 hours, I stream Just Chatting, and it's Tech Q&A with EposVox. Save. And you have a different schedule here that your viewers can see, and you can actually go in and enable vacation mode. So if you're on vacation or you're not currently abiding by that schedule, when viewers see that, they see your channel page, they're not gonna see, that. So that's all fine and dandy. Everything looks good. We're good to go. I don't have a channel trailer yet. We'll get to that. Actually, I can upload something as a channel trailer though. So you can go to choose a video, greet viewers with a channel trailer, short video, appear at the top of your channel, less than 60 seconds, and encourage them to turn on notifications with it. I'm ready to try it. You can choose videos from your library. I'm totally choosing the PlayStation boot screen. 100%. Gives you a little preview of what it'll look like. You can play it back here. Totally fine. It gives you information about music. Set as channel trailer. You could also edit the title there. All right, so we now have all that set up. We're going to go back to our channel page. I'm just going to go back here and refresh. Check out recent stream. And offline, Media EposVox. It has links to socials. Those are the top 2. And you can play the channel trailer. Now we have an About tab, which has your traditional panels, but also has those social media links that you added. You also have a schedule, which showcases on a calendar view when you stream and how long you stream, kind of like a DVR. Pretty cool. So you may be looking at this and wondering, well, how do you change that top banner that I showed that just has my name repeating? Well, as usual, Twitch thinks it's a good idea to put that setting in a different location than customize your channel. I don't know why they keep doing this. They've done this with all of the layouts for like 10 years now, but that's under your profile settings. So you need to go over to your little profile icon in the top right, go to settings. Under profile, here you have your profile banner. You will notice though, I already have one set and it's not reflecting here. But of course, if you want to change that and update your profile picture, you can do that here as well. I have a new one I'm uploading because I have changed mine for most things. That's fine. And I'm going to try updating my banner just to see if that somehow kicks it up to the new one. We've updated our banner. I'm going back to my channel page. If I can type it in right here. Yep, still doesn't update. So I don't know that this is supported on the new layout yet, to be honest. Just to confirm I'm not crazy, there is a Twitch help page talking about channel setup with the new layout. And yes, it does still show that you adjusted here in your settings for your profile. And it's not working. So this should work for you. I would go on and upload it. And perhaps once you have had your channel on the new settings for a while, or once they fully roll it out. Again, this is still kind of being rolled out and not, finalized. Maybe it will kick in later on. That's about all I can offer. Oh, if we go to account settings here, nope, it's still the same thing. It is worth noting, though, that this channel page layout isn't really even going public yet. If you view your own channel in incognito, it's still going to take you to the old layout. It is kind of interesting that they still have that banner setting there, though, because that's for a previous Twitch layout and not the current Twitch layout that this one's coming from, but that's how you do it for once it actually rolls out. Overall, though, this new channel page is actually pretty cool. I do hope they let you start adding more sections, kind of like YouTube has always had in the customize your channel option, because at the moment you can scroll down a lot, but there's not a lot to fill in, just categories and recent VODs. I would love to see a dedicated uploaded videos section and the clips section, or curate your own content on your channel page. Would be lovely, but at the moment, it's a pretty cool layout, and I'm liking how it's turning out. It feels a lot more modern, and I'm a big fan of it, and it does have little turn on notification buttons as well. Again, this stuff is still rolling out and still in testing, but if you want to go on and get the jump on it, so as soon as it rolls out publicly to your channel, this is how you set it up and start experimenting with the settings. Let me know what you're using as your channel trailer. Are you making a cool custom edited video where you highlight 60 seconds of your best stream clips and tell people to turn on notifications and give you a follow? Or are you just using a cool clip that you've already had? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more stream guides. And I'll see you in the next one. Go follow me on Twitch, of course. Twitch.tv/EposVox. Right there. See you.